For our last section in our graph in Google Classroom, you're going to be making a chart with the data that you have. So we have 3 different labels that we're looking at. We have a coffee cup, a couch, and a key. Up here is all of our data. So we're going to be figuring out how much should go under each question mark. Let's start with the coffee cups. I'm going to count how many coffee cups are up here in the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm going to chart that by double-clicking my question mark and putting a 5 under the coffee cup. Now let's do our couches. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there are 4 couches in my data. And then let's count the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, double-click and type in a 9 on your keyboard. All you did was chart the data. There are a couple more for you to practice. When you're done with this, please turn it in.